What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. As you see, we're working on the Kia today. This video is going to be how to replace your sway bar end link. We're going to be replacing the sway bar end link on my girl's 2007 Kia Optima. Now most sway bar end links are going to be similar, so this works on almost every vehicle that has a sway bar end link. Got the bad boys in here, we just got to get them out. I better put the camera down. Enter to win a $100 gift card. These are the new sway bar end links. Now I do have an inside nut that holds it, and sometimes you can't break this loose, it'll start spinning the whole thing, and that's why there's a nut back there, so that way you can hold it in order to take it on and off. I already have the wheel and tire off. If you can't do that, get the heck out the garage. Alright, I already went ahead and just slightly loosened them. Just going to go ahead and finish taking them the rest of the way out. This one that's down here is a pain because the control arm's in the way. So I went ahead and just used a wrench and took a hammer and hit it so I could break it loose. There's just not that much room. There you go, just like that, out with the old. You see how that boot was ripped? I'll show you in the light. If you can see that, it's all ripped up. So is that one up. Junk was falling out of it. Not good. I've seen them worse though. Like, it's still a little stiff. It's not too bad. If they get real bad, there'll be a lot of play in it. New one, pretty stiff. I mean, it's hard to even budge it. Ugh. Pretty stiff. You want it to be stiff. And then when that boot rips, it just allows dirt and debris to get in there, and it just starts to wear it out faster. And this comes with new hardware. Now, if you are by chance doing this on a Kia like mine, I think it goes for 2005 to 2010. You can go ahead, and I'll put a link in the description below of these ones that I had ordered. Okay, I got it sitting in there where I can start both the bolts. It is going to be a little tight to get it on there because the joints inside these are so tight, which is what you want. You want it to be tight. You don't want it to be real loose. And if you notice that your boots are ripped, that's a good indication that it'll probably be time to replace them pretty soon. They might still be pretty tight, but of course you don't know when that boot ripped, and it's just going to get worse over time, like I said. I'm going to just tighten them both up some, and then I'm going to go back and tighten them up some more. Out with the old, in with the new. Got both of them snugged up tight as I can get them. That one was a pain, but I just let the wrench hang down and I went underneath the car and used my foot as leverage to make sure it was nice and snug. That's how you have it. About 10 minutes, one side down. Just gotta go ahead and put the wheel and tire back on, drop the car back down, and do the other side. Told you before, this video is really simple. This weekend I go on my trip, going up to Georgia, up to the mountains. I don't know how much footage I'm going to get with the GoPro, so I might not do a video of this trip. It's only going to be for 2 days, so I won't have much time. But thank you all for watching this video. If this video helped you out, or if you like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Also, check out some of my other videos. I got over 160 of them on my YouTube channel. That was how to replace your sway bar end link. Till next time, peace.